right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation ceremony with me, Siddharth Kannan. And ladies and gentlemen, with me on board are Mr. Ganga Prasad, owner, Chennai Rhinos. Ravindra Reddy, Director Marketing, Bharti Cement. Mayank Shah, Marketing Manager, Parley. Ashok Kenny, owner, Karnatka Bulldozers. Vishwa Karyappa, MD, Sand City. Vivek Surana, Distributor, Carbon Mobiles. R.S. Sumant, Distributor, Carbon Mobiles. And we have 3 school children from Narayana Group of Schools, Chennai. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a cracker of a match with Karnataka overpowering Chennai. But nevertheless, the fans have been outstanding. A huge round of applause to all the spectators in Chinnaswamy Stadium. Give yourselves a round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Carbon Kamal catch of the match to be presented by Mr. Vivek Surana, and it goes to Shantanu. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Shantanu. I request Mr. Vivek Surana to do the honors. Congratulations, Shantanu. Carbon Kamal, 6th of the match, to be presented by R.S. Sumant, and it goes to Rajiv. What a 6 it was. You kept the tempo so high, and what a knock. Like we say, you were the crusader for your team. Boost Most Energetic Player of the Match award and check to be presented by Vishwa Karyappa. Ladies and gentlemen, no surprises, it goes to Rajiv. Rajiv, what a performance. You went guns blazing, knocking the ball all across the stadium. I'm sure your team is very, very proud of you. Well deserved. Man of the match to be given by Mr. Mayank Shah. And it goes to, any guesses this one? Man of the match? The man who performed like a complete all-rounder, whether it was with the bat, the ball, or fielding. None other than Dhruv. Dhruv, I'd like you to come here. Dhruv. One interview, I need to chat with you, Dhruv. Can we have Dhruv here? All right, but Dhruv, I appreciate that. Ladies and gentlemen, Dhruv is always going to be special to us. He's a special man, and we love him for his zeal for life. And God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, CCL Day 2 was power-packed. We've got a great match coming up. Stay tuned for that. This is me, Siddharth Kannan, saying thank you for being a spectacular audience. And do join us real soon. Thank you.
क्यों ना हो ब्रिलियंट विक्ट्री बाय कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स। आज उन्होंने एकजुट होकर क्रिकेट खेली है और जीत हासिल की है। तारीफ करनी होगी उनकी बल्लेबाजी की, उनकी बॉलिंग की, उनकी फील्डिंग की, ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस। और पहला मैच खत्म। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर जॉइनिंग अस।